Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Ben. I choose to be happy. So this video I want to introduce. This is called in the Chinese name is called 小神吹, which means wonder blower. Okay, little wonder blower, but I call it wonder blower. So I'm introduced this this video. I talk about this wonder blower. Then I will make another video talking about the price. The price is 499 ringgit Malaysia. So I will explain about the price because when it first come out it's bigger and it sell for 20,000. So I know that it's 20,000 before, and now it's only I'm selling in Malaysia at 499. Okay, the next video I talk about the pricing and the discount and the promotion. So and then I will make another video talking about how to blow, how to use it. Okay, and if I put all the three things together, I worry the video will be too long. Okay, so that's why I split into three videos. So because I believe this wonder blower, I call it, is able to help a lot of people. Okay, so before I get started, this wonder blower it emit out frequency, okay, a resonant vibration which called TeraHertz. Okay, I am not the wonder blower or the TeraHertz expert. Okay, I'm just an ordinary guy, and I'm not of any practice medical. Okay, I'm just an ordinary guy. It is because my friend that have shared to me about this, and then I use it. I find it very good. So during this video, if any misinformation or any mistake that I make, I hope you can forgive me. And then if there's anything I can improve, please do let me know. Okay, then maybe I try to make another video with correction. And then my friend that shared to me, I myself I have back problem for more than 10 years. I have slip dish, so the dish slip and then it pinching on my nerve. Then my leg is constantly pain and numb. Okay, so make my you know, my movement, I pain when I walk, I get up the stairs, I get down the car, get up the car, all are so difficult. Okay, so but when my friend showed it to me, and then I try it for a few days, then my pain really relieved a lot. So now I already use about 1 week plus. My pain and my numbness on the leg, my frozen shoulder, my neck problem, and my skin, some problem with my hand, my palm, reduce a lot. Okay, especially my leg, the pain. So sometimes the numb also reduce a lot. That's why I think this one can help a lot of people that I want to bring into Malaysia and then promote. So I'm using this video, so that if somebody want to introduce you, they will send this video so you can take a look, and maybe we can help a lot of people, and then by selling this, maybe we can make some money. Okay, so this is when it come with a bag like that, and then the box is like that. Okay, so when you open, there's this is a company brochure that they have different color handle, and then it have a WeChat account. If you know Chinese, then you can scan this QR code, and then they have a lot of information. Okay, this is also what I saw, and basically this is a hair dryer front part, where it blow out hot air, and then the special thing about this is this thing, the front. So this one, there is a tube in there, is a crystal tube in there, that one is glue, cannot open. So my one, I already opened it. So it is something like this. Okay, it is something like this. So the pattern is, the patented is this crystal tube. Okay, so when the hot air blow through this this crystal tube, okay, then it will create a kind of TeraHertz. Okay, it's a kind of resonance, it's a kind of vibration. Okay, that the vibration is able to penetrate to our body. Okay, this like a hair dryer, it have 2 speed. Okay, and then the light, there are light from the hair dryer. Some of the blower, they don't have light. Okay, and this TeraHertz from the emit from here. The TeraHertz is a kind of light frequency that you cannot see with bare eyes, and you cannot smell, cannot touch. Okay, you cannot feel it. Okay, so this TeraHertz help us a lot. Okay, so the TeraHertz, actually the TeraHertz in our body, we actually have the TeraHertz, okay, in our body. When a newborn baby come out, it actually have a lot of TeraHertz. Okay, this resonance is in the body. But as we grow older, okay, and then we get sick, then the vibration or the TeraHertz in our body reduce. Okay, where this TeraHertz emit from here, okay, it actually can penetrate our body up to 12 inches. Okay, and what it does is, when it blow into our body, it actually energize the good cell to let it come alive. Okay, and then take out the toxic and the carbon dioxide from the cell, from the good cell, and then it also washes away all the bad cell. Okay, so then the bad cell can be dispersed out from our body. Okay, when our cell become healthy because it's energized and active, okay, then all our tissue will be healthy. Our tissue healthy, then our organ, okay, all the organ in our body will be healthy. Okay, and then our blood cell, our meridian cell, the vein, all the cell also become healthy, which means our body become healthy and our body are able to heal ourselves. Okay, and then that will increase our immune system, our metabolism will also improve. In fact, many of the disease, of the sickness, and of the weak body are caused by body cell. When the body cell get weak, then our body will get sickness. Okay, so Wonder Blower, I like it especially is because they are, as I go through, I see a lot of testimonial. Okay, testimonial about how it helped them. Got people with the eyes, the tears is keep flowing, okay, for many years. So when they blow on the eyes, and then the tears stop flowing, so back to normal. And there's a old woman, 12 years, the ear cannot hear. He blow 2 times, then he said he can hear the blowing sound already. Okay, and there are people also hair loss of hair, okay, hair loss, and then it blow for some time, then the hair start growing back. There are people with thyroid where the neck is bulging, okay, blow a few times, the bulging, the thyroid reduces a lot. And there are some rashes, okay, with the skin problem especially is good. So this also reduce a lot on the problem on the skin. And then I know that there are people with we call that prostate problem, okay, where a lot of the adult facing prostate problem, okay, then you need to go toilet a lot at night, and then when you pee very slow, okay, and then make your sex drive also very weak. So this will help a lot, okay. I don't know, there are so many good things that people share on this, okay. So I also like this is because with this one small little wonder blower, you can actually, the whole family can uses it to blow, okay. A lot of supplement you eat and then finish, you have to buy again. This one you just buy one and then the whole family can use. Of course you can buy a few, okay. And then lastly, I want to say, because this thing sell a lot now, sell a lot in China. When anything that sell a lot, then a lot of counterfeit, okay. The manufacturer, they don't sell online, and then I also don't sell online, and I cannot say that those people that sell online is counterfeit, but when you buy from us or the people that send you this video, I can guarantee personally, because I'm the one that importing it. I'm importing it directly from the factory, not through internet, okay. So I can guarantee that this is original, because when you blow out the resonance of the TeraHertz, you cannot see, you cannot smell, you know, so you won't know if this is original, okay. So this is, I guarantee is original if you buy from my site, okay. And then for those who are interested in this wonder blower, contact the person that sent you this this video, okay. And I want to tell you also, when we on my site, I have created a brochure that will explain about this wonder blower, like this 499, okay, what it does and what is TeraHertz, and then also explain to you in Chinese, in English, and in Malay, okay, some of the testimonial and how to blow, how to use, and then what are the precautions you have to take. And then also these are in Malay, and these are some of the testimonial, okay, and this is how you can get discount, okay. Next video I talk about the discount, and then also I will also give a piece of chart of how you blow on your body, okay. So if you are interested, please contact the person that sent you this video, okay. And then if you got any comment, any question for me, you can contact me. This is my WeChat QR code, or you can WhatsApp me, okay. My name is Ben. Thank you very much and have a good day.